what has happened to that software, just so people who aren't familiar with it, Bash, it's the shell, it's this scripting language, right? And a lot of engineers, a lot of computers have it running, a lot of engineers use it. How is it used today, and how widely spread has it gone, this free software that you built?
The Bash Shell is an interface between a human and the lower level operating system. It's the thing that allows you to start a process and end it. If you're using a Mac, think of the Bash Shell as what you see when you say terminal. When you go into the terminal, the thing you're typing to is the Bash Shell. Well, it was up until 6 months ago.
We're working on that.
We'll talk about that in a minute. Yeah. If you use any Unix machine of any type, when you log in, you're most likely talking to the Bash Shell. It is the de facto standard interface between a user and the lower level system. And it's scriptable, which means you can take the things that you would say to that shell and put them into a program. You can say, if this situation is true, then do that thing. You can define functions. It's a small programming language. And many people over the last 40 years or more have written scripts in this language, and those scripts are the things that run your system. Most of the stuff that happens on your system is being orchestrated by this Bash shell. It also appears in other places, like in printers, in Coke machines, in various cell phones. It's a useful tool, and so it gets used in many different places.
So I think it's fair to say that just about every computer, small and large, has something Bash related, Bash running on it in the background today.
I would say that if any computer that a human being interacts with definitely runs a Bash shell, including computers that are running Microsoft, computers that are running Apple software, computers that are running anything that ends in NIX. So guaranteed, yeah.
I don't know. I don't think I've ever asked you this, but how do you feel about that? That like this thing you created is running that widely.
I'm proud. I'm proud that my software is robust enough to be the software that powers a large part of the machinery that runs the internet. That runs the world of computing. I'm proud that it's solid that way. I feel like it's a good engineering job. I've written many other pieces of software since then, and some of them have had an impact on the world, and others of them have not had a direct impact on people. But sure, I'm proud of it, but I'm not overwhelmed by it.